我不知道，我不知道，哪个地道一点？那如果你要说地道英语的话，你一定要学习这些口语连读的技巧。Have you ever been frustrated because you're watching a TV show or a movie in English and you just can't quite understand what they're saying? The words don't sound right or they're just speaking too fast?
Have no fear.
Today we're going to continue talking about something really important, informal contractions in oral English. Please don't forget to subscribe below and click on the little bell so you get a notification every week when I post a new video. If you remember from the last video, a contraction is when we take two or more words and make them into one. And again, these words are not things you will learn in an English class. You will only hear these when you are listening to real oral English conversations. So first, let's quickly review the contractions we talked about in the first video. And if you really want to learn how to use them, I suggest you go back and watch the entire video. Dunno is don't know. Gotta is got to. Lemme is let me. Wanna is want to. Gonna is going to. Gimme is give me. Shoulda is should have. Coulda, could have. In it, isn't it. Ain't, is not, or are not. Now, before we continue this lesson, I need to share with you something amazing.
Unbelievable.
90 days of English lessons with a native speaker for free. Learn English for free. 真的免费吗？真的。Doesn't matter what your English level is, doesn't matter what your financial situation is, this is it. Lingoda. This is a great language learning platform that I personally use to study Spanish, and they are hosting a 90-day language marathon. It's very simple. You sign up before January 14th using this link right here, and you can use my voucher code MIKE2019. You can choose the full marathon, which is 30 days per month for 3 months, or the half marathon, which is 15 days per month for 3 months. You pay a small registration fee and you pay for your courses each month, and when you complete all the courses without missing any, you get 100% of your money back. There has never been a better deal if you want to learn English. These are face-to-face classes with native speakers, and they're available 24/7. You simply won't find a better opportunity than this. Unless you can get classes cheaper than free, it's a big commitment, just like any marathon, and I promise you, your English is going up to the next level. All the links and codes will be in the description. Don't miss this opportunity. Alright, now for the good stuff. New informal contractions. 麦克老师，这些口语练读技巧到底有多少？
So many.
So I can't cover them all today, but I am going to focus on some that myself and other English speakers say every single day. Here we go. Number 10. Whatcha? Whatcha? What are you? Whatcha? Whatcha gonna do this weekend? Whatcha gonna do this weekend? Whatcha up to? Whatcha up to? Sometimes, but not always, people use it in place of what do you? What you wanna do tonight? What you wanna do tonight? What you think of D and G? What you think of D and G? Number 9. Has to. Has to. Has to. Similarly, there is have to. Have to. Have to. She has to do her homework before she goes to bed. She has to do her homework before she goes to bed. You have to try soup dumplings if you visit Shanghai. You have to try soup dumplings if you visit Shanghai. I have to work this weekend. I have to work this weekend. 8. Kinda. kinda, kind of, kinda. I'm kinda tired, so I might go to bed early. I'm kinda tired, so I might go to bed early. She's kinda cute. I wonder if she's single. She's kinda cute. I wonder if she's single. Number 7. Sorta. Sorta. Sort of. Sorta. The meaning is very similar to kinda, and we often use them together to express more or less. Kinda sorta. 差不多. I sorta wanna eat pizza right now. I sorta wanna eat pizza right now. I think this movie is sorta dumb. I think this movie is sorta dumb. Number 6. Outa. Outa. Out of. Outa. Let's get outta here. Let's get out of here. You've been sleeping for 12 hours. You have to get out of bed. You have to get out of bed. I think you're sorta lazy. Number 5. Lotsa. Lotsa. You guessed it. Lots of. Lotsa. I'll have lots of money when I win the lottery. I'll have lots of money when I win the lottery. There are lots of students studying abroad these days. There are lots of students studying abroad these days. I think they're kind of brave to get out of their native country. Number 4. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. This contraction can have many meanings. For example, come with me. Hurry, hurry, hurry. 加油,加油. 得了吧. Come on, man, or we're gonna miss our train. Come on, man, or we're gonna miss our train. You're gonna need to pay an extra $10 for this ticket. Oh, come on, you can't be serious. Oh, come on, you can't be serious. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Number 3, gotcha. Gotcha. Got you. Gotcha. The most common use for gotcha is to show that you understand something, sort of like 明白 in Chinese. I'm gonna need your report by 5 o'clock. Gotcha. But again, it's very informal. It could also mean that you bought something for someone. Here, I got you this new iPhone. I got you this new iPhone. I spent lots of money, but I think it's kinda cool. Similarly, you can say getcha, which means get you. I'm gonna get you a new coat. That one's not warm enough. I'm gonna get you a new coat. That one's not warm enough. Number 2, tryna. Tryna. Trying to. Tryna. I'm trying to find a way to make money, but never work. I'm trying to find a way to make money, but never work. I know, it's sorta lazy to think that way, but come on. I have to get lots of money or else I'll get kicked out of my apartment. If you're trying to take my money, I'll be kinda angry. If you're trying to take my money, I'll be kinda angry. And number 1, did ya? Did ya? Did you? Did ya? Did you know that I've been making videos online for 3 years now? Did you know that I've been making videos online for 3 years now?
Really?
Yeah, really. Did you leave a tip yet? No? Gotcha. So there you go, 10 more common informal contractions. Please remember that these are used in conversational English, and they will help you move from sounding like a non-native speaker to a native speaker. I also hope they can help you understand movies and TV shows much better. If there's other contractions you want me to talk about, please leave me a message below and I will include them in part 3. And please consider the Lingoda Language Marathon. You may not have another opportunity like this with so many free English classes. As always, please subscribe, hit the bell, share it with your friends. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。